What is asset and property trading? Asset and property trading is often described as a creative way to become a successful investor. The key to experiencing an asset or property trading win, however, relies on the fact that you actually possess assets in the first place. You might own a home, a boat, prestige car, plane, or expensive construction equipment. These are your assets. What if you could trade this asset and acquire cash and other assets of your desire to fulfill your investment dreams? Let's look at an example of asset and property trading. You own a piece of property worth $500,000, but never want to have your feet too firmly planted on the ground. Your ultimate dream is to own your own aircraft. The aircraft you desire costs $300,000. If the seller of the aircraft is looking to turn his asset into property, and your property suits his requirements, he gives you $200,000 plus his aircraft, valued at $300,000, in exchange for your $500,000 property. This is a very simplistic outline. There are fees, charges, and stamp duty costs, as with all normal financial transactions involving cash, but as you can see, the transaction is more of a trade than a purchase. The most important aspect of the above transaction we used as an example was that both the homeowner and the aircraft owner were interested in an asset trade. There are several asset trading sites that list property and assets that traders have for sale. Each property and asset is given a dollar value. The way most of these sites work is that traders seek out property or an asset that is priced at a similar value to that which they want to trade. The asset trader is then able to determine whether or not a trade can be negotiated between the two parties. While there is usually no charge to list your property or assets for trading, the trading business usually takes a commission percentage from the completed trade transaction after successfully negotiating on your behalf. There are many different types of properties and assets that are often slated for trading. These include houses, cars, apartments, boats, holiday homes, farms, land, lifestyle assets, business assets. Asset trading companies are usually formed by highly experienced property investors who have moved into trading later on in their careers. My knowledge tips. 1. Asset and property trading is often described as a creative way to become a successful investor. 2. The key to experiencing an asset or property trading win, however, relies on the fact that you actually possess assets in the first place. 3. There are several asset trading sites that list property and assets that traders have for sale. 4. Each property and asset is given a dollar value. 5. The asset trader is then able to determine whether or not a trade can be negotiated